Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Trading Toolux. In this video tutorial we will be covering about Option Explorer, where with Option Explorer you can create any kind of option charts like Straddle charts, Strangle charts, or even IV charts, open interest chart, and you can combine multiple strikes as well and create it as single chart. So let's get started. So to create an Option Explorer chart, click on this plus button. You can keep any name you want. And in the chart type you choose Option Explorer, and then click on the next. So in the Option Explorer there are two different types of charts, that is custom strikes and another one is auto chart. First let me explain about auto charts. Auto charts are nothing but it refreshes the strike price automatically when the spot is moving. So for example, if you want to track the ATM straddle of the Nifty all the time, you can choose this Nifty straddle option. So what it does is, if the Nifty is around 14,500, it shows the 14,500 call and put straddle, and if the Nifty is going to 14,800, it automatically refreshes the strike price to 14,800 call and put. So like this, there are several auto plugin options. It can automatically detect the OTM liquid call option, OTM liquid put option. Likewise there is for Nifty, Banknifty as well. So this is auto chart. I will come back to this later. Now let us look into the custom strikes. So custom strikes are nothing but you have to choose the strike price manually by yourself. For example, after choosing the custom strike, this button will appear. Click on this. Here you have to choose the strike price manually. So you can choose between Nifty or Banknifty here, or you can choose between any 4 expiries here. And if you want to add the call option, click on this red color. So you can see it's adding 14,600 call, and if you want to add the put option, you can click on this green color. So it adds 14,600 put. So likewise, if you want to do any strangle charts, you can click on this and click on this. So it's adding call and put option respectively. If you want to add both the call and put, you click on the strike price. To add 14,600 call and put, you add this. And one more thing is, if you are creating this chart, it will be showing call option separately and put option separately. Instead, if you want to do straddle or strangle chart, you have to choose this option multi strike. So after choosing this, if you want to track 14,600 straddle, click on this and click on create group. So it will create the group, so where you can track the straddle of 14,600. So you can also add a Nifty spot or Nifty future or any of the available line charts here. Let me just choose Nifty spot. Click on the next. So let us keep the thickness to 2, and this one let us keep the light ash color, and click on the finish. So right now it created custom straddle chart. You can see here it has created 14,600 plus 14,600 put option. So this is how right now we are seeing 3 days of data. If you want to see just intraday data, click on this one. So this is the Nifty spot price. If you want to disable, you can click on it, and here we can track the price of the 14,600 straddle. So this is one example. Now let us look into more example. Now let me show you one automatic charts. Click on this plus button. Make sure you choose Option Explorer. Let me name it Auto 1. Click on the next. Here choose Auto Charts. So once you choose Auto Charts, you can choose the auto plugins here. So there are lots of options. So it calculates all the strike price automatically, so you don't have to choose it manually daily. For example, let me choose Banknifty straddle. And let me add IV for that straddle, and let me create it now. So let us keep this thickness to 2, finish it off. So if you open this auto 1 chart, so you can see you didn't choose any strike price, but it's automatically showing 32,400 call and 32,400 put. That is because if you open the advanced option chain, the current ATM strike price for Banknifty is 32,400. So it automatically choosing this 2 strike price. Whereas if the Banknifty is moving to 32,500, this page will be automatically refreshing and you will be seeing that strike price respectively. So that is the benefit of automatic strike price. There are several options, you can explore all those options, and you can see same for the IV as well, it gets automatically refreshed. And you guys can notice the price is updating every second even though it is straddle price. So now let me show you some other example. Let us create option chart now. Let us create some cumulative open interest. Let us name it OI. Click on the next. Also make sure you choose the option explorer here, and let it be custom strikes and click on the add strikes. So if you want to add cumulative open interest, so click on this multi strikes, so all the open interest will be added together. If you are unchecking this, all the open interest will be in the separate different lines. So I will show both of example. First let us look into the cumulative OI. So choose this, let us add one in the right now the spot is 14,500, so let us add one in the money, at the money, and 4 different out of the money. So create group. So we don't want price, we just want to track open interest here. Let us close this, and let us do the same for the put option now. So 14,500 is the ATM. Let us add one in the money put, at the money put, and 4 different OTM put. So we have 6 different put. Create the group. Again we don't want price, let us add open interest. Click on the next now. So one more thing, you can also add some spot. So let us know what is happening in the market. Let us keep this to red color. Call is the red color, and let us keep the thickness to 3. Put is green color and thickness to 3, and spot let it be white color, and click on the finish. So our OI chart, cumulative open interest chart, is ready. Now you can analyze the market via this cumulative OI. So here we can see the call open interest is increasing. So you guys know when the call option writing is increasing, it is bearish indication. So you can see as the call writing is increasing and put writing is decreasing, the market is falling here. So again vice versa, here it is increasing and the put is decreasing and the market is falling. So it is just some example. There is no limitation, you can explore with whatever strategy you got. So let us see another example now. Almost any kind of option chart can be created. Maybe it is single strike price or multiple strike price, combo or separate. Any possibilities is possible via option explorer. So these are all the few charts that has been created via that. So here you can see the Nifty straddle with the call input. Let me disable the zone. So here you can see the call option separately, put option separately with the IV, and here we are seeing the call option and put option straddle price. So the combined price is given here, and I have added a Nifty spot here and combined IV also plotted here. Likewise you can create any kind of chart. One thing you have noticed is there is 3 different chart over here. You can drag it like this. So to create the combined chart like this, you have to use the layout. So we have this 2 chart. Let us create some layout based on those 2 charts. Name it to layout. Click on the next. We have a different kind of layout to choose from. So let me choose this. Click on the next. So this is the auto chart we created and this is the OI chart we created. So click on the finish. So this 2 chart will be visible now in this single window. So this is the automatic straddle price, 32,400 call and put. Here this is the call option and put option cumulative OI chart that we created. Likewise we can create any chart and keep in the 8 different window and just track everything in single screen. So these are all the different possibilities. You can even moving averages to your charts. Let me show you some example for that. MA. So click on the next. Sorry, let me choose option explorer. Click on the next. So let us choose automatic strike. Bank. Nifty Straddle. So now I want to track the moving average for this IV. So we have the price here and the moving average for the IV is plotted here. So let us even plot the IV here. Click on the next. So let us keep it to 100. Let's keep it to red color. So finish it off. So we just added 100 moving average for the IV. So click on this. So here we can see this moving average has been added to this IV. Mostly the IV will be very choppy and volatile. To reduce the noise, you can add the moving average like this. So for 32,400 call, the IV has been crashing from the morning. So there is some strategy that is based on the moving average. I will be creating more videos. So basically you sell the straddle or strangle when the IV is below this moving average. So here you can see when the IV is going above the moving average, you can exit your straddle strangle. So here we can see, so when the IV is above the moving average, you could have exited and minimized your loss. So these are all some other possibilities. So let me create some other chart now. Now let us create some solo strikes. Solo strike is every strike price will be independent and will be plotted separately. So choose option explorer, click on the next and choose the add strikes and make sure this multi-strike mode is not selected. If this is selected, whatever you choose, everything will be added up together. If it is unchecked, all the strike price you choose is plotted in separate line. Let me show you example. Let me add this 2 call option and this 2 put option. So we don't want price. Let us just add open interest. So click on the next. Call option will mark it red color because call option rating indicates bearishness and put option rating indicate bullishness. So let us open this now. Here you can see this call option strike and the put option strike is plotted separately. So anytime if you want to add something, you can click on this edit button. Let us add a Nifty spot. Finish it off and reload this page. And here you can start analyzing. Here you can see the put option sellers are going away, that is short covering, and the open interest is falling. That means bullishness is gone and the market is falling, and likewise the call option rating is increasing here and the market is falling. So it is just another example. So you can even create some IV charts like this, and you can create multiple IV strikes with the moving average. So almost anything is possible, and up to 12 different strike price you can watch in the single screen. Now we have around 5 different charts, so we can create some complex layout. Let us choose some 4 layout chart. Let me choose this 4. Click on the next. So here you can choose all the chart you created. So if you want something here, you can choose the one with x1 y2. So here let me add y. So x2 y2. Can add MA moving average. Here we will be adding auto. So this is the layout structure, and we have 4 different charts combined to this layout. So finish it off, and to open, click on this 4. So whatever chart we have created, this is the cumulative open interest, this is separate strikes open interest, this is the moving average of the IV chart we created, and this is the automatic straddle chart. So here you can see the Banknifty has fell down here, so there is some fall in the market, and you can see the automatic strike we created automatically adjusted to 32,400 to 32,300 call. So this is how this automatic chart get adjusted. So yeah, that's it guys. This is the video about Option Explorer. If you guys have doubt on this Option Explorer, just leave a comment. I will create more tutorial videos to clear your doubts. And please make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon, so whenever I release the video, you will be getting updates. So thank you. See you all.